It's like I'm sitting down to play the Propella keyboard. The first box here. Good thing about these bikes is they're not very heavy. Another box. There it is, guys. There's the unboxing. Stick around for the, just messing with you. So there's two smaller boxes. Let's see what's in there. That's the charging cord, then the quick release and pedals. That's the seat post. That's a pretty cool looking saddle. So enjoy the music while I put this together. All right, so I got it all put together and I'm liking the color, really like the color. You got the blue rims, the blue saddle, the blue on the grips, the blue on the battery. These guys like blue. All right, so starting up here, I like the grips, good size, textured. They are in place. You got disc brakes left and right. Seen this set up quite a lot. 5 pedal assist levels. Shimano 7-speed, which is underneath. About a 4-inch rise. Looks like the handlebars are up quite a ways, which I do like with road bikes, so you don't have to bend over so far. Front of the bike, bunch of wires, but they do have it wrapped in a few different spots. External battery, pretty skinny frame, as you would expect. Nico pedals, Shimano Altus derailleur, CST-X Pedium tires. Got a motor in the rear hub. There you have it. There's the Propella road bike. I'll have the full review out in about a week and a half.